Hello, my dear lovely children. How are you all? Doing well and good? That's great to know. Yes, I'm feeling great too. Thank you. So, we completed our first chapter through the online class, right? We finished blooming and sprouting. You all learned that lesson well? Very good. Okay. So today we are beginning our second chapter. Does anyone know which is our second chapter? You saw, right? Ma'am sent the textbook on the group. You saw which was the second chapter? It is From Doddlebug to Tusker. What is Doddlebug? What is Tusker? Both are animals. Okay? So, the chapter name is From Doddlebug to Tusker. So, let's begin. From Doddlebug to Tusker. What is a doodlebug? Doodlebug is called the ant lion too. It is also known as the ant lion. And these animals make pits under the soil and live in there. Okay, they look for a dry soil where they do not get sunlight or rain, and they dig pits in it and live there. Doodlebug. In Malayalam, we say Kuriyana for the doodlebug. Okay, to a tusker. What is a tusker? Have you seen an elephant with tusks, right? The tusk on the elephant. Yes, that is called a tusker. So here we are going to see the doodlebug. And now this is the tusker. Okay. So Doddlebug and Tusker. So the chapter name is From Doddlebug to Tusker. What we have to learn in this chapter? Let us see. So in the beginning of the chapter, we have a Tusker thinking something. Okay, you can see it in the bubble where he is thinking something. Okay, it is a thought of a Tusker. So what is he thinking? Let's read. How interesting life in the forest was. While trotting along with Mom, so many friends on the way. Chinnu the rabbit, Cutie the deer, Kelu the fox, Meenu the parrot, Minnie the butterfly, and Papu the bear all chatted with me. What could they be doing now? So from this, what can you understand? At first, the elephant is thinking how interesting the life was at forest. So that means the tusker is not at the forest. Where is he? We will learn. So he is thinking while trotting along with Mom. That is walking. Trot is another word for walking. So while he was trotting with Mom, his mother, there were so many friends on the way. When you go outside your house to the neighborhood, when you are walking, what happens? You can see a lot of your friends, right? And you talk with them. So similarly, our Tusker's name is Kitten. Okay, what is his name? Kitten. So when Kitten was walking, he used to have so many friends on the way. Who all were they? Chinnu the rabbit, Cutie the deer, so the deer's name was Cutie, Kelu the fox, Meenu the parrot, Meenu the butterfly, and Papu the bear. All chatted with me. So everyone used to speak with him. And he's wondering, he's not in the forest, right? So he's wondering, what could they be doing now? He's thinking what they will be doing. So what happened to our tusker? We will learn it in the upcoming classes. Okay. wasn't the Tusker so happy with his life? Yes, it was a very interesting life, right? He used to talk with so many animals. He had so many friends. Do you remember the friends which ma'am told now? Take out your notebook and write down the names of his friends and who are they? Who were they? Chinnu the rabbit, Cutie the deer, Kalo the fox, Meenu the parrot, Minnie the butterfly and Papu the bear. Okay. Now, do you know what all we see in a forest? Which all animals we see? We see a lot of animals, trees and rivers flowing through a forest, isn't it so? So let us familiarize ourselves with some animals. So my dear students, what all can you see in this picture? We can see, yes, we can see animals, birds, insects, river, trees, bush. Isn't it so? What all can you see in the picture? Which all animals? On the rock you can see a frog. Now that was a frog croaking. Then we can see a fish in the river. Then what do we see? We see a tortoise. Isn't it so? Yes. Then look at the tree now. You can see a chameleon, which is an insect. Then you can see a snake. Hiss. The snake makes the sound hiss. And then we can see a crow. Then we can see a rabbit. Here is the rabbit. The rabbit is on the elephant. Elephant is our state animal. And behind the elephant, whom can we see? The national bird of India, the peacock. And we can also see a butterfly flying. How beautiful, isn't it so? Yes, the forest looks very beautiful with all the animals in it. So then, these were the animals living in a jungle or a forest. But sometimes we keep animals in our house too, right? They are known as the domestic animals. Okay, animals that we keep in our house are known as domestic animals or pets. We call them pets. So, we keep different animals in our house for different uses. Okay, for example, we use hen for egg or for the meat. We keep goat for milk. So, each and different animals have different things to give to us, right? Yes. What about the fish we keep in an aquarium or the parrot? We keep them as pets because we love them, right? Yes. So now let's see some domestic animals, okay? And then we have to do a small activity. So now we are going to get to know some of the animals which you know we keep at our house. Here we can see the buffalo. The goat. Next we have the cow. Here we have the sheep. Sheep give us milk and also fur. Here is the skin. Here is the hen. Here is a cute duck. Here we have the quail. The fish. Everyone loves this bird, the parrot. The rabbit. So now you know the animals, right? Yes. So how about we fill in one table given in the textbook? Are you ready? You must answer me, okay? So look at this table. We have 4 columns for milk, for egg, for meat as pets. So the question is, which all animals do we keep for milk, for meat, for egg and as pets? So for milk, name some of the animals we keep in our house for milk. Can be the cow, yes, goat, good, the buffalo, right? Yes, the buffalo. Then what about for egg? The hen, duck and quail. Do you know what is a quail? It is known as kada in Malayalam. Okay? Yes. So we have the hen, duck and quail. What about for meat? Hen, goat, quail, many more, right? Yes. So then, as pets, we can keep the parrot, fish, cat, rabbit and so many more. Isn't it so? Either you can write what ma'am has given you or you can write what you like which is correct for the table. Okay. Now dear students, do you give all these animals the same food? No, right? It differs. For the fish, we give fish food. For parrots, we give green chilies and some vegetables. What about the goat, cow? We give grass or leaves, right? Yes. For the hen, times you give rice, right? So each different animal we give different kinds of food, isn't it so? For cat we give fish, isn't it so? Yes. So today we learned about animals we keep in our house for different purposes, isn't it so? Yes. So today's class was this and it is over. We'll be continuing this chapter in the next class. So see you then. Till then, bye bye. Take care and stay safe.